Get to know your teachers. They're cooler than you think.
Missing work will kill your grade. Turn your stuff in on time. You only get 5 days till it's 0.
Join clubs and sports. The more active you are, the more people you will meet.
Stay clear of the drama. It's pointless and distracting.
Be on time to class. There's no parties when you're tardy.
Go ahead and like yourself. People aren't thinking about you as much as you think they are.
When you're late to school, come sign in at the office in the kiosk.
Kids, remember to check your email often. Also be aware that Officer Hellman gets alerts when email is used inappropriately.
Clean out your book bag sometimes. It gets super heavy and you don't need all that stuff in there.
I was absent yesterday. What did I miss?
Check Canvas. Your teachers aren't going to chase you down.
Is it okay if I text my mom?
No, what are you doing? It has to be powered off in your book bag right now.
Don't think. It's just bad for you. And the middle school has censors, so you will get caught and suspended.
You don't have to be happy all the time, but if you're depressed, there's always an adult to talk to.
T-Bolt time is a safe place for you to ask questions and connect with your peers and teacher. It's after first period because some kids go to the high school for classes. You will be with your T-Bolt time teacher most of the day of 7th grade for orientation.
Here at the middle school, there are 2 bells for each dismissal. You will leave at the first bell, and you need to be in your class seated by the second bell. Good behavior earns billboards, and you get pretty cool things.
Bathroom passes are limited. You only get 3 per class per quarter.